cunt, and I don't know other things.
Oh, I'm here.
Wait, the Don M. Cervetti account is another account? Oh, never mind.
No, that's calling the phone.
I'm just looking through my messages and it's calling with 2 A's and I looked at the
It's
GT.
fanboy. Is the fanboy of Don M. Capone. He uses the same.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
I mean,
Oh, he's
I'm not
offline for
deriding-
35 minutes. Fuck.
I'm not deriding Don M, but it was.
Oh, he's still on. Don't worry. Invite him. He just invited me to a game like 5 minutes ago.
He probably put Death Before Decaf in his bio because the fucking Capone motto is Death Before Dishonor.
I think he actually said that.
Oh,
Let me check.
deleted me.
Death before decaf, yep.
He deleted you?
Yeah, he deleted me because I took all his attachments and shot his body with a shotgun.
Trampy, you invited me to the party.
Get this faggot in the party.
It's like having a roast on this kid at 4 in the fucking morning. I'm done.
I know there is too, I think.
Trampy.
Trampy.
Huh?
I think I know where you got your gamer picture from too.
Team DZN.
Yep.
Yeah, they do decent ones.
I was looking through so many gamer pictures last night. Like, I pretty much know what all of them are. You're a faggot, Don M. Capone fanboy.
Don M. Cuntetti, I'm kicking you from my crew, you bastard. I don't want you in my crew anymore. You worthless bum ass, pass fucking gun button, RPG and little cunt. I don't want you anymore.
But for real, there you go.
I think I'm...
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, and by the way, we'll have that API.
I have never recorded anyone before, I just don't know what to say.
Yo, someone recorded that. Yes, post that.
Someone might be muted and he said that, and I snorted about 8. Okay.
Go forward back.
You're a faggot, Don M. Capone fanboy.
Don M. Cuntetti, I'm kicking you from my crew, you bastard. I don't want you in my crew anymore. You worthless bum ass, pass fucking gun button, RPG and little cunt. I don't want you anymore.